Good morning, Mia. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, sir. Yes, I'm feeling refreshed.
How's everything looking for the day?
Busy but manageable, sir.
Did the team submit their weekly reports?
Yes, I sent them to you earlier.
Great. Were there any concerns raised?
A few small ones, but nothing critical.
Mia, I need you to finalize the client presentation.
Sure, sir. What details should I include?
Highlight the cost savings and ROI projections.
Got it, sir. I'll focus on that.
Also, liaise with the graphics team for better visuals.
I'll handle that, sir.
Mia, are we on track for tomorrow's project deadline?
Yes, sir. The team is wrapping up the final sections.
Ensure everything is proofread before submission.
Of course, sir. I'll double check it myself.
If you face any delays, let me know immediately.
Will do, sir.
How's the new marketing strategy coming along?
We're in the research phase, sir.
Have you gathered data from the sales team?
Yes, they've provided detailed feedback.
Excellent. Let's incorporate their insights into the plan.
Absolutely, sir.
Mia, I reviewed your report. Great work.
Thank you, sir. I'm glad you liked it.
One suggestion. Simplify the data visualization for clarity.
I'll make the changes, sir.
Keep up the excellent effort.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Mia, let's schedule a training for the team on customer engagement.
Sure, sir. Should I organize it for next week?
Yes, and include practical exercises.
Will do, sir. I'll draft an agenda today.
Good. Let's make it interactive.
Absolutely, sir.
Mia, a client flagged concerns about delivery delays.
I'll look into it immediately, sir.
Coordinate with logistics and resolve it by today.
I'll handle it, sir, and keep you updated.
Let's not let this affect our relationship with them.
Understood, sir.
Mia, how was your weekend?
It was relaxing, sir. How about yours?
Productive but restful. Ready for the week ahead?
Absolutely, sir.
Mia, I want to thank you for your dedication last month.
Thank you, sir. It means a lot.
Your work on the campaign was exceptional.
I'm glad it was helpful, sir.
Mia, where do you see our department in the next year?
Expanding our outreach and improving efficiency, sir.
I like your vision. Let's work on a roadmap for that.
I'll start drafting it, sir.
Mia, have we completed today's priorities?
Yes, sir. Everything is in order.
Fantastic. Let's regroup tomorrow morning.
Will do, sir. Have a great evening.
Mia, did you catch the email about the client meeting?
Yes, sir. I've added it to my calendar.
Great. Are you prepared for the Q&A session?
I've reviewed the materials, sir. I feel confident.
Excellent. Let's aim for a strong impression.
Absolutely, sir.
Mia, I need a summary of last month's sales performance.
Sure, sir. I'll have it ready by noon.
Include regional data and key trends.
Understood, sir. I'll focus on those areas.
Thank you. Let me know if you need help with the analytics.
Will do, sir.
Mia, have you finalized the agenda for the leadership meeting?
Yes, sir. It's ready for review.
Did you include updates on ongoing projects?
Absolutely, sir. It's the first item on the list.
Perfect. I'll look it over before the meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Mia, the report you submitted is excellent.
Thank you, sir. I'm glad it met your expectations.
One suggestion: add a conclusion summarizing the key points.
Got it, sir. I'll add that immediately.
Good. Keep up the quality work.
I will, sir. Thank you.
Mia, could you coordinate with the IT team for the software rollout?
Sure, sir. I'll set up a meeting this afternoon.
Ensure the training materials are user-friendly.
Absolutely, sir. I'll review them myself.
Great. Let's aim for a smooth transition.
Agreed, sir.
Mia, you've been doing a great job mentoring the new hires.
Thank you, sir. I enjoy guiding them.
Your efforts are helping them settle in quickly.
I appreciate that, sir. I'll continue supporting them.
Mia, there's a delay in the product launch. How should we address it?
Let's communicate transparently with the stakeholders, sir.
Good idea. Draft a message explaining the situation and next steps.
Will do, sir.
Make sure to include revised timelines.
Absolutely, sir.
Mia, how is the morale in the team?
Overall, it's good, but some members feel overwhelmed.
Let's arrange a team lunch to boost their spirits.
Great idea, sir. I'll organize it.
Mia, have you thought about attending the leadership workshop?
Yes, sir. I think it would be valuable.
I agree. Let's make sure you attend the next session.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate the opportunity.
Mia, have you tried the new cafe near the office?
Not yet, sir. Is it good?
Their coffee is fantastic. You should check it out.
I'll definitely give it a try, sir. Thanks for the recommendation.
Mia, how's the new campaign coming along?
The creative team is finalizing the visuals, sir.
Ensure the messaging aligns with our target audience.
Absolutely, sir. I'll review it thoroughly.
Good. Let's aim for launch by next week.
Agreed, sir. I'll keep everything on schedule.
Mia, I heard there was a disagreement in the team. What happened? How was it resolved?
Some team members had differing opinions on the design. We discussed the pros and cons and reached a consensus.
Good. Open communication is key.
I agree, sir. I'll continue encouraging it.
Mia, have you completed the presentation for tomorrow?
Yes, sir. It's ready for your review.
Excellent. Let's go over it first thing in the morning.
Sure, sir. Have a good evening.
You too, Mia. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Mia, let's review your performance over the past quarter.
Sure, sir. I'm eager to hear your feedback.
You've exceeded expectations in managing the marketing strategy.
Thank you, sir. That means a lot.
One area to improve: proactive delegation.
I'll work on that, sir. Thank you for the insight.
Mia, we've received a critical complaint from a client. Can you handle it?
Absolutely, sir. I'll address it immediately.
Keep me updated on the resolution.
Will do, sir.
Let's ensure this doesn't happen again.
Agreed, sir. I'll review the processes.
Mia, congratulations on the successful campaign launch.
Thank you, sir. It was a team effort.
Your leadership played a big role in this achievement.
I appreciate that, sir. Thank you.
Let's celebrate this success with the team.
Great idea, sir. I'll plan something special.
Mia, what's your vision for the next big project?
I'd like to focus on expanding our digital presence, sir.
I like that idea. Let's start brainstorming next week.
Sounds good, sir. I'll prepare some initial thoughts.
Mia, I appreciate your dedication to the team.
Thank you, sir. It's rewarding to work here.
Keep up the good work. You're making a difference.
Thank you, sir. That means a lot to me.